We got the same exact display. That's kind of cool. Oh wait, no, you don't.
No, that's the same.
This is the newer one, huh? What year is this one?
2017.
Really?
Right?
Yeah. I wonder why they didn't put this one on.
I don't know if the display is aftermarket or not.
Yeah, the generation after this one, they started using the same display. Oh yeah, 650 is a little bit faster than a 400. Feels very similar though. His foot brake is bent up kind of far. It's a little scary. That first gear's short. Wonder if I could clutch up in second. Feels good though. Oh, I bet I could. It's got pretty dang torquey. Oh yeah, super smooth. It kind of has that weird slip like the 400 did. See if I can do a little clutch and coaster. Little guy. Feels good. It's got good engine braking, way more than the 400. Wonder if I could one hand this bike. Oh yeah. This bike's so loud. This bike is very loud. I can barely hear myself talking. Feels great. Super touchy. Rear brake is super touchy.
Would you check engine light on before?
Yeah, what I did is I put the wheel the wrong way. So the sensor for the traction control isn't working. So it just senses that and it just turns on. So it's fine.
I wasn't sure if I did something.
No, you're good.
Dude, I was like, this thing's slow. And then I wasn't hitting the power band.
Yeah. Yeah, you really got to rev that thing up. This thing's fun. It's smooth.
Yeah, I like it. It's a lot different feel because it's more like upright.
Yeah.
And it's like it's kind of more nimble. I don't know if is the wheelbase like.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a different feel.
This might be a little shorter wheelbase.
Makes sense.
This thing's real torquey though. Yeah, clutch up in second feels great.
There you go.
Yeah, it's smooth. This bike feels so good. Third gear. Sticking his knee out, but he's completely upright. That's alright. Oh, crossing the mustard. Gotta get stuff. So smooth. Man, the Ninja 400 has always been my favorite beginner bike because the Ninja 400 has plenty of power to like wheelie and to grow into it and stuff. Super good on the track, super nimble. But if you have a little bit of experience with like dirt bikes and stuff, this bike is super good, super torquey, but not like gonna kill you torquey. The R6 is so loud. Yeah, the engine braking on this CX-6R is way less than the 650, which is actually really good for learning wheelies. The 650 is really good for learning wheelies. I'm at like 14 RPM and I look down, it's at like 8. It like revs. I don't know if it's exhaust or what, but it's so like high and loud. Yeah, I know. I noticed that too. Yeah, I noticed that too when I rode that. It feels like it winds way more up than this bike. It has more power or like faster or something to race. I don't know. We should race.